fireworks, so that was really cool.
So basically, we're here now at the Port of Newport. This is where everybody goes crabbing here in Newport. And tomorrow here at Lincoln City, they have a huge once-a-year kite festival. And also once a year, they will have fireworks right on the beach. I'm sorry, it's very windy. It's very hard for me to talk. It's really hard for Harmony to talk because it's so windy. But tomorrow night, they will be having a firework right off the beach. So we're hoping to get that into this vlog as well. So please stay tuned and make sure to stay to the end to see the fireworks. Spectacular. It just got stuck. Aww.
It has no other claw. Oh wait, it does.
Aww. Got really stuck in there. Wow. Careful. Oh, it's not a female. Might be a female.
Okay.
Careful, Daddy. Measure. It doesn't look legal. So we have to measure all the crabs, make sure they're legal. If they're not, we have to throw them back. That's the law. Bye-bye. Bye, dinner. Little red rock. It doesn't want to get out. Ooh, lots of seaweed. There's Harmony and her brother and her dad walking all the way on the other side. I'm on the pier right now watching all the crab traps. And they wanted to go check out the beach and the sand.
Okay, so that's it for crabbing. We didn't really catch that much crab. We only caught 2 crabs. They're in there.
And we'll probably just give them to someone because we don't want to go home with just 2 crabs. And we're going to have to go shopping now.
We're going to give it away to a lucky winner. So just comment down below.
No.
Crab.
We're going to see if someone, down here wants it.
JK.
Harmony. We're just going to see if someone down here might want these crabs.
Lucky winner.
If we could, we would send these to you guys. But I don't think they will taste very good by the time they get to you. And they might not smell very good either. Do you want you want like a random bag, or do you want something that you could pick from here?
Pick.
Well, she does it.
Yeah, pick.
So you want to, here, let's get a bag so that you can share with everyone when we get to the beach house. There you go. So Harmony's going to get some Laffy Taffy. Or is it? No, it's not Laffy Taffy.
Oh, no, it's
salt.
Sea salt.
Sea salt taffy. Salt water. Right here.
Right there.
Salt water taffy. And I think they make it fresh here. You could try one. It says you could free sample one. One per customer. Yeah, you could try it to see what flavor you think you might like and then try it before you buy a whole bunch.
I know I'm gonna like it already.
They have all kinds of candy.
Wait, do I eat it?
Cheese. Yeah, sure. Is that the one you want to try? Look at that giant lollipop back there.
Oh my! That's good. Yes, it is best. And you said right around the half pound, so under that.
They got a lot of poo.
They have a rainbow one.
Yeah. Scary. More squishy stuff. Ooh, that one feels like, no, that's just air. Okay, that's just scary.
Yeah. I have a chili.
Chili, evil chili.
I do have I have a big chili and a little baby chili.
Yeah.
Chili.
So here's the kite festival.
You like kites?
It's really busy, so we're gonna probably skip it and just go to the beach where it's not as busy because this whole area is just too busy for us to park in. So first we're gonna go shop for some stuff and then we'll go on the beach and check the beach out. See how busy it is? We can't even go like 1 mile without stopping 100 times. What are we waiting for? Harmony, why don't you tell them what you're waiting for?
Fireworks.
Where is it going to shoot from?
Okay.
No, it's going to shoot right there where they roped it off. It's cold. Are you cold? No, I'm trying to breathe it. Look at how beautiful it is out here. It's a beautiful day on the Oregon coast. Hi, Eric. Hi. Do you want to be in Harmony's vlog? You sure? Okay. Okay, so I'm walking to where they're going to be shooting the fireworks for tonight's show. And it is not 4th of July, but once a year, there's a casino here on the coast that shoots fireworks right off the beach for their anniversary. So they roped off this area because they're going to be shooting their fireworks right there. It's going to be right there. That's how close we're going to be. Trying to start a beach fire. A fire on the beach. Woo, good job, guys.
Why are the shovels there?
Blocking
It's to block the wind.
At least let it burn first, then we can take that off.
No. That's for the fire later.
Oh, it's going.
It's good.
Yeah.
Good job, guys. That's awesome. Woo! That's so cool. Show me what you got. Harmony? What is that? I can't see him. Hang on.
It has rope on it, and then this one's like a thin layer.
Okay.
It's really cool.
So that's what's left from last night. This is where they shot all the fireworks. We're doing our morning walk on the beach. So they dug this up yesterday, and it's still here. Can't believe it. So I can't see what I'm filming, so hopefully. They dug all the way from back there. Oh my goodness. From there, all the way out to there. So, are you guys gonna finish it off today? We gotta dig all the way out to the ocean. Eric, are you guys gonna dig it all the way out to the ocean today? Paxton, you gonna do that? What? That's why we came back, right?